Hello my fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the benefits of investing in land and lots, including the potential for appreciation and diversification of a portfolio. Do you know those big guys from Wall Street and investment funds put part of their money in land and residential lots? Guess no more, they know they can make big money investing in land. Investing in land and lots can offer a number of benefits to investors. One of the main advantages is the potential for appreciation or an increase in value over time. Land and lots can appreciate in value due to a variety of factors such as population growth, economic development, and increasing demand for housing. Diversification is another benefit of investing in land and residential lots. Diversifying a portfolio by including real estate investments such as land and lots can help to spread risk and reduce overall portfolio volatility. Additionally, investing in land and lots can offer a hedge against inflation, as the value of real estate tends to increase along with inflation. Another benefit of land and residential lot investment is the potential for generating income. Land and lots can be leased, rented, or developed to generate income. For example, renting out land for farming or leasing land for solar energy production can provide passive income. Overall, investing in land and lots can be a great way to add value and diversify a portfolio, as well as generate income and hedge against inflation. Why should you consider adding small lots to your portfolio? Another benefit of investing in land and lots is the ability to have more control over the investment. Unlike stocks or bonds, land and lots are tangible assets that can be physically inspected and managed. This allows investors to have more control over the investment and the ability to make changes or improvements that can increase its value. Additionally, investing in land and lots can also provide a sense of community and connection. Many people find it rewarding to own a piece of land and enjoy the benefits of nature and outdoor activities. Investing in land for recreational or residential use can provide a sense of ownership and connection to a specific place. Another benefit is the potential for land appreciation in certain areas where land is scarce, and the population is increasing. The demand for land will increase. Investing in land in these areas can result in substantial returns on investment. Furthermore, owning land can also be a way to protect and preserve the environment. Investing in land for conservation or sustainable farming can help to protect natural resources and promote environmentally friendly practices. In summary, investing in land and lots can offer a number of benefits, including potential for appreciation, diversification, income generation, control, community and connection, appreciation in certain areas, and preservation and protection of the environment. Here are 10 benefits when investing lots. Potential for appreciation. Buying lots can result in long-term appreciation in value as the demand for housing and real estate in a specific area increases. Diversification. Adding lots to an investment portfolio can help diversify and spread risk. Potential for income generation. Lots can be leased, rented, or developed for income generation. Control over the investment. Owning a lot allows investors to have more control over the property and the ability to make changes or improvements that can increase its value. Community and connection. Owning a lot in a specific area can provide a sense of community and connection to a place. Tax benefits. Owning a lot can provide certain tax benefits such as deductions for property taxes and mortgage interest. Development potential. Owning a lot can provide the opportunity to develop the land into residential or commercial properties. Opportunity for land flipping. Buying a lot at a lower price and reselling it at a higher price can generate substantial returns on investment. Protection and preservation of the environment. Owning a lot for conservation or sustainable farming can help protect natural resources and promote environmentally friendly practices. Leverage. Lots can be purchased with leverage, meaning that you can control a large piece of land with a small amount of capital using a mortgage or partnership. Some locations in Arkansas offer you to invest in residential lots. Arkansas is a state with a diverse economy and growing population, making it a potential location for investing in lots. Here are a few areas in Arkansas that could be worth considering for lot investment. Little Rock, as the state's capital and largest city, Little Rock has a growing population and a strong economy. It is a great location for those looking to invest in residential lots for building homes. Fayetteville, this city is home to the University of Arkansas and has a growing population of young professionals and families. It is a great location for those looking to invest in lots for residential or student housing developments. Bentonville, this city is home to Walmart's headquarters and has a growing economy. It is a great location for those looking to invest in commercial lots for businesses and retail developments. Jonesboro is a city in northeast Arkansas with a growing population and a strong economy. It is a great location for those looking to invest in residential or commercial lots. Rogers, this city is located in northwest Arkansas and has a growing population and a strong economy. It is a great location for those looking to invest in residential or commercial lots. Hot Springs, this city is known for its hot springs and attractions, and also has a growing population and a strong economy. It is a great location for those looking to invest in vacant lots for vacation homes or vacation rentals. It's important to note that these are just a few examples, and it's always a good idea to conduct research and due diligence to find the best location and lots that suit your investment strategy. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when the next video comes. It is very important if you help us spread this information to other folks who may be interested in investing in land. I would like to hear your opinion. Could you comment?